Meaning of FF.
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 FF. FF is a common abbreviation that can stand for a few different things. FF stands for fortissimo in music. It indicates to play a passage very loudly or strongly. FF can mean fast forward when referring to video controls or media players. It's the button that makes the video skip ahead faster. FF, sometimes used in online messaging or texting to signify a request to follow someone back. I followed you, FF? FF or FF can represent the hex code for the color white or off-white. Web colors are often written like #FF for pure white. FF is shorthand for fanfiction, fictional writing by fans about an existing media work or characters. Popular among fan communities. So in context, FF could have a few different meanings, but some of the most common ones involve music dynamics, fast-forwarding media, requesting social media follows, web color codes, or fanfiction. Let me know if you have a specific context you want me to interpret.